McBrown's Kitchen. Again, McBrown's Kitchen. Bring us so. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, no, am I in here? Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
Hello Ghana, once again, me mama kwaba. Ye share McBrown's Kitchen. Me had ye me jina say na me ho teme because o support it. O share na wunnim said ye wa house no esefata. Ye de aduane pa enenam. McBrown's Kitchen aduane pa ede. Ebusuafo me da aboafo ase. High sense, everyday prices for everyday people. Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. Tasty Tom strength comes from within. Sana meda awake purified drinking water say. Awake near one for life. Awake purified drinking water for one for life. Mekai will say, Sawoto awake 750 ml 10 packs. Ubenya one full pack. Free. Kai say awake kuzwe kra ne boshemo. Cardio center. Into beto ne more. Nem faso more no so etumi alcohol. Me da launcher kitchen ase. Launcher na aye jadi. Amana ye kama. Ane. Sana me da Borges olive oil ase. Olive oil way dear. Enye promise. Your original first grade way and I make come for amount and ebusuya and ubedi more a royal aroma rice vitamins baby womua a yes a di mu dia bedi royal aroma rice me da magi de da se magi de nie magi ewo dwom dada na de no mi sisibio aka trust a shrimp ene adwene ene amane ena garlic ene yakani nyina afra amana ye de ye de bremu say de be kan aduane ho ne adi ne anya ahoden ane ebusia me da Royal Kitchen Well official Ghana say for men chensen papa me de ye aduane wa won chensen no ane Royal Kitchen Well official Ghana chensen ni sa ena me da delay mackerel delay sardine ena delay spaghetti me pa chopi McBrown's Kitchen there. Send me why of wadaroma beauty bowl salon and spa and IMT omo Instagram she show mu no mumra home service wedding program bia oye they'll come and do your hair for you Aligina makeover nyame shraw Alice nyame shraw Aligina sana matade free or yiri fee boutique on say utraza kata wusie or you feel boutique nyame shiramo me ba chopi ma mentwa me homra me ba McBrown's Kitchen adiane bade brim
If it's 1967 high sense ada sukra ye boshim say ye de ye beye home appliances eye papa na ne bo eda from ama ankra e wo wiase afa na nyina high sense ye de wagwa ye ho ne say ye nneoma ye ebua nipa e wa konnya nyina so ene na mame musa we edie ben sa na wo hia refrigerator air conditioner television gas cooker electric cooker iron rice cooker washing machine steamer kettle mobile phone sound system and a blender emogra tutu na mo na fako high sense showroom biem na jide say wo benya de ne boda from paato esanse ye gie mo de say ye nneoma ye papente high sense penny adwumaku a etimi ma 5 years warranty ye ni so wa woni ye didwa enti ye nsi won fom na to ade wo ho na ekire ba asem so a ye hwe siesie wo kama enneoma ye papa enneoma efe efi enneoma ense ye nyina ma hoden eno na high sense ye high sense every
351251.
my husband deserves the best jollof.
Yay!
And so do my kids. Not necessary, dear. Because for the first time in Ghana, we have the new Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. This has all the pepper, onion, thyme, curry powder, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes I need to cook my tasty jollof with no stress at all. All I do is pour my oil, add Tasty Tom Jollof Mix, fry for 4 minutes, and add water, some cube and salt, and finally rice. And my tasty jollof is ready in only 45 minutes.
So tasty.
New Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. Remember to wash your hands regularly. Stay home and eat healthy.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Darling, plain or check it?
Check it.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
I had invited the boss for lunch. Okay, then I get called to handle some emergency. So I called my auntie Nat to help out, but she gets hopelessly stuck somewhere.
There's traffic in front of me.
What? So I call hubby, and he says, What are we going to do?
Relax, we've got this.
No, we don't. Now it's up to me and him to save the day. Are you okay? With help from something special, the new Dedede seasoning from Maggi. Specially made from natural fish, shrimps, and other ingredients. To give your cooking that special Dedede taste.
You need to tell me how you got that Dedede taste.
And then later she says,
Come see me Monday morning. Let's talk about the new branch we're opening.
Just then Auntie Na shows up. And just when I thought the drama was over,
My daughter, let's go into business.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
McBrown's kitchen I was avoid the fed. Yaba no aduane ane medase pa say wa jakonyo na ne me be hyase. Na mesre say me be madija abonyom ane sese maka ni sese wo nyom no ne de intro. Inti the oba na musician and unti DJ bonyom na yemfa introduce no. Mr. Drew, yeah. Say,
what's up, Hey, good, Okay. Let me see. Hey, okay, hello. Hey, where me yo? Okay, anyway. Gina. Oh no, we are boss. Tanzania. Thank you, DJ. Baby, don't be late. Minimum you do for die. Say late. Mr. Drew. Mommy. Boza. Finally, Michelle.
Patron show fridge.
Okay.
Water in my Hisense fridge.
Okay. Fridge near come out.
Patron.
Very nice.
Or to say Nira.
Okay. Into me back home. That's it.
Sir.
That's it.
Aquaba McBrown's kitchen.
Me that's it.
Mr. Drew.
Yeah.
Nisha woda me wa.
David.
Nisha woda me
first time me so my show TV so sa.
Me who social media. Any TV so. Wa na de wa McBrown's kitchen. Finally. Oh, you also deserve to be here. Hey, you deserve. Oh yeah.
Me dem share pan.
Zao.
Me to me sing Crawford auntie. Me dey ide. I am amon sing me pacho.
And edi kan sa wo pacho. Ye dey be hwe. You perceive sua bibi fro. You hear also style and never dey ba be we duane. Ba na be dey.
Okay, and there be Bayam Pesi and garden next to Kakra. Something light. Ampa. You be horo yens. Medical horo and sana also about. I was here for McBrown's Kitchen, your segment, hand washing segment, Tasty Tom and Rich Tomato Mix Adaroma, and I'm to me day, Edia Bill. Now, Tasty Tom and Kaiba, Omu, Edia Sumami, and it say, Yenina in say COVID-19, yeah, no aba. Am I done a dia no de be a in commodity, yeah, dear kind common way. COVID-19, Tino, am I whom be about 20 paso, who pay aqua bacrano, and now we yam shisha, we be a no sro, we need the pay, she also I
mpo na osuro ne nyina ho na mum tasty tom se men kan tro say ma ehu nye de emmo ye pi ama ye live lifestyle bi but e make sure say de bia no ye didi ye ye ro ye nsa ye share mask afi so ye nda ye num nsuo I mean nyema be boa me ye gina pintini tasty tom and tomato mix ye da mo ase ye ro ye nsa me kai wo say tasty tom de wa wonim say vitamins wo mu doso even to say vitamin A vitamin K vitamin D and vitamin E ni nyina bi wom tasty tom and rich tomato mix ye da mo ase Mr. Drew Agbena Ingbena
okay me mba fi no
ba Ebusu McBrown's kitchen near the anepa de sa mo amunim say ha de wonya ba ho modern de wo ye mu nko ade a wo baba ha bi ebusu Mr. Drew ye wow Drew na come expect akokora bi adwene ni ade no
oh David
young boy fine man nice na wo see be border
and that the garden X2
okay
and bayre pacha
wow and the ingredients no
okay na I say what garden egg no and onion and there were tomatoes and there were pepper
yes
there were ginger
yes
and there were delay
sardine yes
na oba hasen so a ye yam no
onion
sini there was salt
and chine
and in kosia and super cool
oh super my favorite yo
oh and there ebe kumpa na wo your seasoning
Maggi de say the angoso na be inti budget sanity abusua me hwe me nua keto na se na aduane no wo ye na asa ne hu ni asama te se na aduane na
empress ni bibi wo say we dear ebe no boys
okay
cause we say hustling ninti ye ko up and down ye nya time now so ye ne mommy ne ni nti ye sua free ne ho kakra on de ebe hu say o ye na nti ye nya keche bebre we say nyum ne de to a it's Mr. Drew
na obebo apesie
no so how de ebe tumi keche ba Drew say ebe ni straight simple na ye na ya enjoy
definitely yes say enjoy how we no simple no
nti me pese ebe cookie me twi ni de
o fa na mismo futumo
ebe ma mixi oba ho garden next
na u twi ni de Drew okay me bunsu ama
me start say me twitwa garden next no cause
okay
very necessary na ya na me pese me check inside ne hwe say mwa wo mu
oh okay
very necessary
you know all that
oh yeah yeah see I'll be Mr. Drew ni from here no Chef Drew yes see na change your career pachan
okay chef timi to nyum to chef versa
de me jan nyum no
eh baba pesie
pachan
chef pachan me de unsuo na asija so minim na Drew
yes empress
o so twi no nya papa na we de ni
me en cry new
o fa na jibo
mfana ni
ile
oh ganyo Jimmy acho me Andrew ni come otu ebo ngbe engine
Andrew ni kobi otu
mfana
o jangba
oh nje osu
osu Drew obi hwaye atewonyom je ni nyina ya te enwum ni mu odu some musicians bebre started from underground studio to however omo ade nyom bae wo de wa nya na sa wunya platform gina so
pachan okay Matthias
nye wa na to so ba platforms akese bia wunya gina so ento no start with the hitmaker
and pachan hitmaker season 6
okay
when I started na me koya ko na set over 1000 na me koya ko drew second position pachan na me nye enyum professionally na me dancer and I call straight into music. It's very very shocking. A man Crawford say now be osana all of a sudden oh yeah nyuma oh yeah dear patron oh yeah like oh yeah dear sir. So that's where everything started for me when it comes to music, patron. Maybe
enti ebe kwa na be ohro mo be nen.
Ye hitina James na wo huni na be ebe ko.
Enti enko. Nyado ano ekum.
Patron. Okay, and
that's right.
Yeah, the tomatoes mienu be
ebe ka ho.
And yeah, the onion back on.
Ene amo na. Ewo okesabola.
Okesabola okebawo.
Okay, okebawo.
Kewo hu. Pepper hu, it depends on only how much you want.
Dodo a ope.
Dodo a ope. Nti pepper no ye de. Okay, kakre bi. Kakre bi.
Kakre bi.
Let's say we okay.
You okay?
Ode mama fa ba ko kra.
Ewo min kataso.
O fa na kataso. So, me started to try my onions.
Okay.
Pacho to me the frying pan a breme and oil. Budget oil.
Budget. Chef, me pacho de ope bia o de twetwa me bebro.
Okay, me that's it.
Enti Drew, from hitmaker na akon he.
Na na KY judge wo show ne so.
Okay, hitmaker so.
Pacho ane. Nti from honom no frame say we hu say me ya de pa ba men wini ampa say men wini de ba he would love to work with me. So honom na you started say ye juma nti I got signed on to Highly Spiritual Music 3 years ago.
Wow. Into ko Highly Spiritual no what release be an answer.
Okay, me release Debbie me release Give Me Love. And so na me release Sima Jolly.
Sima Jolly.
Baby.
Chewie na me mommy esa.
Okay.
DJ Pena bo mame.
Yes.
Yeah, no aduane ne dey.
Very necessary.
Nti etwitwa eje na abusuafo. Aduane ne simple nti me hu sa menye bi ma. Where is Sima Jolly?
Hey. Okay. Give me your car, I go take just to chase your love. Baby, when I fall your door. Baby, about the ice, you dey cool my heart, oh yo. Oh, no drama and tonight, no games, no pampana. Into young corner walk, baby.
I know this. Now I couldn't buy me this son. Come later.
Oh, no, baby. Okay. Young corner walk, see my jolly. Oblayo can do, baby. I'm at a mitomo banku, baby. Tell me what I for do, baby. Do, baby. Oblayo can do, baby. I'm at a mitomo banku, baby. Tell me what I for do, baby. It's the young gonna boko, baby. Okay. Hey, young gonna boko, see my jolly. Oh no, boko, baby. Hey, good gaga, ow, ade,
DJ, thank you, DJ, thank you. Wow. Bemena.
Yeah.
Yeah, Drew him.
Sisi ade ye ko superkune so.
Superkune so.
Say we so Drew hono me.
Ai, wo.
Inti superkune pacha ane. Superkune de we special. The chain Kobe.
Okay.
Momoni ene kako. Na we no bones the E1111 dompe ne E11 into me and foul by surprise and na akoti aduane na.
Okay. Ye chemu sai.
Pacha ye na 3.
3 on. All right. Chembra.
Pacha betu me hwe oil.
Na sa osuma sister pan mu sasa na ya de.
Empress me sorry. Me sorry. Me say 3 ne kreso.
And if the obezo yo hu bia ye mamia. E wa Drew imbo te school.
Oh, inte me call Achimota Secondary School.
Dadaba.
Big shout outs to my fellow Accras.
Yeah, no.
2011.
Wow.
But Pacho me tricha superkuneri enti.
Enti me so me Pacho oyo no so ni.
Pacho fe hwegu.
Me hwe ene ka no. Oh, catch ye na mama ne me.
Okay, so we budget oil.
That's a simple way no.
Okay. Budget oil. Ye be hwe kakra.
Nice ye be chi. Yes, stew na ye be start.
Ye be start.
All right. Aduane no ho say ye start a. Style the best start scratch or said you near bed. Aye.
Kakra come.
Okay, me soja.
Pacho mami. Okay, Nana, me say me garden next na bin. Pacho bet me dum na mami.
Oh, any medum no.
Me das. Pacho menya sieve.
Sonia. Okay.
Na bibia nye fine.
Bibia nye fine. Yes, Sonny.
Yes, Sonny.
Bibia. Oh, that's right.
Na me pese bibia Sonny free mu. Nsuo ne bibia na enye fine kakra. Na menya ayewa.
Yeah, Mr. Drew.
Sele. Okay. Empress.
Also for you, mama dear broso.
Okay. Sisi ano me de me egg garden egg ni bibia be hwe gu ha say. That I say cuz you na asone. I me say oyo ne so shiba.
Okay.
Nti sia e de super kuni be gu mu first.
Be kumo. All right, yen fa ko.
Ne so abem.
Okay. Mama wa de now de num. Fa kuni kom.
Pachan.
All right. Wow. Okay. Enti ye super kunu adan eko janimu ai Mr. Drew a Chemota school boy
that's it
uko boarding on
pachan o me call boarding JHS and I me say call boarding
Enti mama wabusuafo o mama yesay
me was step brother and I me was little brother me akasa me brother and so back
oh enti mo yesay 3 or 4
pachan.
Oh, nice. Cute family.
Yes.
Super kuni ko jam. Inti ye be nyamu ana.
Pachane.
Hey, Mr. Drew.
Ba empress pachane pese we bibi mama.
Pachane
hwe na super kuna anse amame.
Me hwe na anse. Hey, kakra me die ntini tese orders da ho.
Me da se.
Andrew. Inti Drew 3 years contract with Kewa.
No, it's actually 5, but I got signed 3 years ago.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Wow. Inti what with 3 years?
Pachane.
And I ka with 2.
Pachane.
Yeah, 3 years now wadi wo ho no. A dan na oni Kewa maye.
Oh, so far no make say we've released bangers upon bangers.
Yeah.
And I me feel say a processing so. What I say and enyumbiane how far e ko.
Oh, okay.
So far we've been releasing good songs. Me say na me adom drena e call more.
Na drena wan dia?
Drena dia me ni creamy dia.
Na brasa besra mo.
Nti Mr. Drew and Creamy featuring Sakode.
Oh, okay. Na when creamy na masan wo Kewa ho.
Patran. Initially kana it's 7 artists so.
Sa
na doso. Na doso pa na bebre akọ nti si aka me ne Creamy pe.
Abusia ya nyam ye nya adoa. Hey, Mr. Drew say superku. Superku na me dandan. That's right. Attention.
Me de se obelu an kakra ma.
Ni lo no.
Kekto e bi. Okay, odi ma menfa next time ma menfa onions ni engu.
Okay. All right. Di jene ne kom
patchan ani.
Drew, ene ma mensa anso she. Wapesi ebe kama pa o. Simple apesi. Wow.
Empasem.
Wow.
Yeah.
Me try my best you.
Okay, Empress uni bibi. Sisi a pachotobo asiansa. Me pese be fit bebre.
Ye wadi.
But before that, before that, no me pai nkoshia. Mostly na nkofo e pai nkoshia na after o my re bibia ba me no me pai nkoshia na gumu ansa. Sisi a no
Oh, okay. What do you call no ba?
Pachani.
E ba super kunimu.
Pachani.
Oh, okay. Before then, Yadwa. Mr. Drew.
Silly.
Hey, you said you'll be a cranny dear. Oh, dear, it's silly. In your body, in one day, silly. Mr. Drew.
Silly.
Oh, no, to my belly. Oh, no, one not that to say a belly. It's your boy,
and to see me the egg in the begumu direct.
Oh, okay.
That's it.
Wow.
Tika crabby.
Okay.
Nafe dear. Yes, well, two by a
Nese yenunum.
Debi.
Oba say didem.
Timpacho atobu na ye ni say ya mame.
Hey, me kwakwakosia no. Mr. Drew. Yeah, careful.
Careful.
Wow, we say we say mami num. Me dan say ya na engine na home.
The day.
Me pato me jai why?
Oh.
Me jai me passem.
Okay. So me pese me wie wa ha saying.
Wie wa.
Ba me pese ebe fit bebre.
Oh, okay. You pese did them say ya. All right.
Okay, empress uni bibi. The mama wie wa ha say me pese be fit bebre. Kakre bi se na dide mu na.
We no.
Pachan.
Oh, okay.
Say me say I ready cra.
We na ready.
Nti mama fancy ha say.
Wow, and yes, I was still there. One chair home.
Young as I'm done my day.
Wow. Wow.
It's a chef
Drew. Fiona the dem.
Pachan.
Ooh.
Very necessary.
Very
be done. Where Drew special.
Drew special.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
Ya pesi no anso ne ye de. Ye gusu ne stew ne gusu anti Drew ebebe mo.
Pachan.
Okay.
Hey.
Don't worry about this.
Okay.
Mami ma wa three. Never titi.
Pachan.
Why?
That's it.
Je.
The empress say oh ya do. Oh ya dear pa apprentice of the year.
And then me muadi.
Okay, this is here. Ebe come straight.
Okay, yeah. Don't worry, apprentice in my kitchen is allowed. And I'm me assist. Normal. Enti ye de nya do ano buy a stew nimu. We start lead it different most of the time no. Ya na dodo ano ewia sa no mabokosu ya na gum. Me na de odi ukosu ya gum.
Pachan.
Wow, what can I say? Very simple.
Very simple.
How be
Diana avide. Bibia fine.
How be
I no tronyum na bebri vibes ni bebri.
Wow. Ebusia Mr. Drew. Aye. Ghana some can say your talent no does. Your talent bebri.
Oh bebri. Now Empress cry ah o shock me o cause o tonyum o san ye presenting o san ye
cooking. Oh, mia. Aye. And you hear. Mammy, you had by your buy and so and then drew. Drew on. Because we still na yakono.
That's.
Aye.
That's.
We still na yakono. Na Drew, me ne wo one fan cran din bia o fa Mr. Drew.
Oh, on say me call hit maker no na ye pedin bi ankofo betumi a texting easy.
Oh, okay.
And yes, I didn't koyetenten na avide.
Abeha.
Obi be vote na ya asem nti from honom no na me hu say okay. Mama fa Drew ne preko na. Yemfa Mr. ne count emfa style bin bra nti. Me say stew ne de eno ano no. So the mama fa me Maggie. Maggie the.
Yes.
Ya de na
Okay. The dead.
Na bibia ye dead.
Na bibia ye dead. Bibia the dead ampa. E busia ho said ye stew no air con family odo.
Na sisi anso before I mester cry no mesa afa me delay
sardine no
na me bi.
Wa fa tu na one ye.
Oh, me de enhwe we hwe one na ehia mo.
Enya.
That's it.
Family odo. O hwe be hia bi wa na ye.
Me hwa ye be hia another one.
Ai.
Nti we nso say
yes. Wow, e busia ye stew no ana ewie peye pa ewie peye sa no.
This e be mix it.
Wow, stew asa usuro no.
Oh, when say me taking me time. And no dia anze no different. But mama come no chance.
I know ma fide na you. Inti u de yi adeno na kan fide na you.
Okay, Matias.
You come.
Na na ze nya me nkwa. Ayan ko bebri.
Yi bebri. Wo kan
oh, yehia salt.
Yehia salt kakra on kofa bra.
Pacho.
Me hwem adwuma de ama me.
Yes, me ya.
Sorry, I'm watching the monitoring.
Monitor mama.
I'm watching the monitoring.
It's salt no kakra bi.
Okay.
Kakra bi. Pinch of salt.
All right.
Nice.
Enti abusia ye stew no na esija so ya ye den ye kan abomi. Wakana no ahwe den magi de gum. Na abrantepo den nchine kakra gumu a. Wo ka frɛ na de oye ndia asa wo yi piano G shaft akosi QFs
Empress baby edru ni de me gidi say ye nti me nyanka obedu meja ne kra ma me na okay
me ndum no ho
pachan
nti wa wi o stew no
pachan
me ndum ja no
pachan
oh C'est la fini?
Le fini.
Le fini de few and we started the yam.
Yeah, le barrier.
Oh, the barrier and go on fire.
Le barrier and one.
Oh, okay. Yeah, quite say.
Unze mo to me trying man de to me trying different. But be man there is a market. E market answer. E market na hu baby a twa akọ.
Okay, ni juche na me mboa na nsensen. Ene de mo besra mo memma no. Enya so mu yakwadiro da bi. Omu ni experience na yen ye won ba omu ni maduane no.
Nya easy.
Aye. Oh, do say we pay by them crisis so besensen. Wow. Yes, start na me mboa.
1
Una we ya mama boa o.
What you trying to fast pound?
Me say aduane no muni bi o ba ye the experience na teach kitchen ho.
Nti wa uni aduane o san drive o san ye enyom o san and so we be release album.
Oh, very soon mu try mu dem ya. Okay, me nka say mu dem very soon. I will say Mr. Drew na aka me say hu no. Na wo ye na fa mu de o twitwa fine. O twitwa na nketo fine. Aye.
But onim say Empress o show no. Ema nkofo bebre sua adunia indiani nia
McBrown's kitchen
yeah because me wo obi owo UK a o ka kire me say o de bia o hwe show no e wo YouTube na e ho kra no sua ne Ghanaian dishes nia
okay
I'm say wow
any ampadru Ghana fo a wo kro bia so hwe
o mo hwe pa
na be ho say Ghana fo a me no mte ha ye YouTube o mo hwe yi o mo asako YouTube sa ko hwe.
And they said double.
It means that they love it.
Exactly. Ebiana aduane na nipa ni nua no. That day na cut too fast. Until also come back no call.
Ampa sem na no. I was for McBrown's kitchen near Drew. Nyame sha me mora na kosoro. Ai me sense ama kama.
Me say we cry there.
E ho na ase ho. Wow. Dia ya yensuo no asija so. Nsuo ne Drew hanam do besie. Why? Me mo obi.
Me da se.
Ya de yensuo asija so a nsuo me no ka say ene pekwan ya huru girigiri. Yesuo no de abrante pa wa wie amam. Nti abusia mama me ntwa me homre yo. Na ne memra be didi kama ye bo apesie. Bayire no nie anu nti me da high sense ase me da tasty tom and rich tomato mix ase me da launcher kitchen ase me da awake purified drinking water ase me da royal aroma rice ase sana me da Borges olive oil ase delay mackerel delay sardine delay spaghetti me da ase Maggi de me da ase and a royal kitchen official Ghana me da mo ase me sra mama me ntwa me homra yensuo na hu Mr. Drew yesile odene ba yure ba begum ya ba sesia.
In 1967, High Sense and the Sucray Bushim said, Yede, ye be your home appliances, a ye papa, none bo edda from a man crankra, and will reassure for Nangina. High Sense, Yede, the why you want to say, Yan your ma yet, a buenipa, a walk on your singing house, and the Nama Mimusaway. A dear Ben Sana we here. Refrigerator, air conditioner, television, gas cooker, electric cooker, iron, rice cooker, washing machine, steamer, kettle, mobile phone, sound system, and now blender. A mongra. To an amount never High Sense showroom BM. Najidi say, Ubenya dear name water from Pato. A Sansi and GM would you say any of my papentin. High Sense a penny of Jumekua, a minimum 5 years warranty. Ye initial one when you did that. Ain't you see one from? Now that dear will honor to the bass and swat. You just see you come. And your man, your papa. And your ma, if you and your ma, and saying in a more day. And on the High Sense, yeah, High Sense. Every
351251.
My husband deserves the best jollof. Yay! And so do my kids. Not necessary, dear. Because for the first time in Ghana, we have the new Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. This has all the pepper, onion, thyme, curry powder, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes I need to cook my tasty jollof with no stress at all. All I do is pour my oil, add Tasty Tom Jollof Mix, fry for 4 minutes, and add water, some cube and salt, and finally rice. And my tasty jollof is ready in only 45 minutes.
So tasty.
New Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. Remember to wash your hands regularly.
Stay home and eat healthy.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Darling, plain or check it?
Checkered.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
I had invited the boss for lunch.
Okay.
Then I get called to handle some emergency. So I called my auntie Na to help her, but she gets stuck somewhere. So I call hubby. Now it's up to me and him to save the day with help from something special. The new Dedede seasoning from Maggi, specially made from natural fish, shrimps, and other ingredients to give your cooking that special Dedede taste.
Dedede. Come see me Monday morning.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Borges Extra Virgin Olive Oil, best for salad dressing. A little of Borges Classic Olive Oil will make delicious meals. Borges with garlic, excellent for your grills. Make your meals with Borges, always. Borges Olive Oil.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by FDA.
Wait. I'm supposed to say action first. I said wait.
Let's go again. Spaghetti. Delay.
No, cat. That's not it. Won't you talk?
Delay spaghetti is...
Cat. Do you think we are here to joke? You have eaten all the spaghetti. You have delayed the shoot. Eat the food and say the slogan. And action.
Delay spaghetti. Meda sipebre.
Boss, I beg. I'll be there 9.
You've got to be kidding me.
Sorry.
FDA, ahwehwɛ saa edwadie nkratoɔ yi mu agye ato mu sɛ ɛyɛ.
McBrown's kitchen, Adiana Vado. Addition time when you know I just saw me said, Salango. Above what I renting on the show, bro. And until my no more say, and son of a didiastro, what Darman Pacho, my room for Miss Row. Why? And until high sense, everyday prices for everyday people. Sana Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. Madame Wase. Awake purified drinking water. One for life. Awake purified drinking water. One for life. Launcher kitchen ye. Woman I am kitchen. Come. Sana meda Maggie the dead say. Maggie the dead then ye dia kan do any woman I de. That's what I say sham come. Kai say the Borges olive oil na ye stew no. Cause ye jitum say ye cra and ye hoden. I mean ye also ye bon home by. And until ye dear one papa Borges. I mean shram. Royal Aroma Rice. Royal Aroma Rice. Yeda mwase. Sana meda delay mackerel, delay sardine, delay spaghetti. Meda sebe brave. I was in a Royal Kitchen when chancing am the new aduane. It's open chance papa ebi dia. Fre 020-813-8885. Sa. I was here my sponsors in ye. I me ba be didi na munim said the tradition no etia wa ha ye no aduane we pe appreciation time and it Mr. Drew come close hey ye be born new one say sia
new one okay
Drew
ba onim to there and I am freestyle
any mama freestyle san macho ne me yenko
na no le
you know my life because say na dole
no
Adole ne I miss you no. To what's the same? Na no le.
Hey, you know my life gon' be better. Don't you leave me here today and come back later.
Na dole.
On the way eventually. Don't you leave me here today and call me later.
Na de bono, I don't know yo. Ni ofane. Mene. Engineer sponsors na emu. Ninka minisan
Jenoku ofane channel
insumona
channel
in sponsors am baby na wa me engineer manemu ni habo water
wow
yes water is life one for life a week me ma unsuo any drinks royal drinks ane sana me ma ene Olene.
Cooker.
Cooker ampa.
Automatic cooker. Rice cooker.
Original one from High Sense.
Minna color.
Bona High Sense.
Packaging nice.
Bona. Ewa ma habo chance ne ke osuma cooker no use chance. Na say that when you use rice cooker.
Na me use.
Oba use chance bona. Royal Kitchen official Ghana can chance abo.
Oh.
Me habo omo. Acha say me ma we more royal aroma rice.
Okay.
Allo bona. Cause o fair rice no ota spaghetti aluminium. In habo delay macro spaghetti and sardine.
Okay.
Bona.
Okay.
No ni fair me asande oni ani anwo. Ewo oba hia magi de.
Oh, okay.
Oba hia magi de. Oba hia magi de. Ko ba fe stew tomato komepe no ke ba nye fe stew eno ni tasty tom and rich tomato mix. Ke jollof.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice.
Ola ke ko ba nye fe stew alo omu ke ni bi omu ni anwa ke jollof asano na oil.
Oh yeah.
Ewo budgets.
Budgets men na wo use.
Voilà. Budgets ke habo oil. No fiano ni yo bi ni Bononi.
And me dasi bebre, me damasi bebre.
Yes,
McBrown's Kitchen, me dasi bebre, and then the sponsors as well. Yeah, dasi pan.
Yes, do.
Wow.
Ni wabano ba ye ni.
Okay.
E wa DJ can new song Ya mo new song no. Ya ni atu a cappella. McBrown's Kitchen fan ready? Yes. Mr. Clement. Let's go.
Everything be time, Baba got the work.
Clap.
This life no be waste. Shoulder. So. Okay, after the yes, I know already.
Yeah, let's go.
1, 2, down. She would love me. I love me. Okay, anyway. Would you love me? Don't call me. Okay, so soda. Hey. Blessed. Another. Well, girl, if you want to.
Yeah. Oh, I saw it there. Mama no more of you.
What the hard drink? I didn't current.
But some who yeah.
Oh, why are there?
That's right.
What to me who there? No.
Do you be? Oh, me had you. Me dancing you over Jimmy.
Only problem private.
Okay. Anyway, ode which one konya no bra. Yantina se busia ye bedidi. McBrown's Kitchen. Hey. Hey, Sham. Akas me bia aduane so ne serve ye ho. Na wa hu sadia Mr. Drew stew no ne Byron. Eko. Be me na akwa ba.
Yeah, I know.
Make another me catch Ghana for nyina sa nem ne me ba na bedidi.
Yeah.
Clement.
Yeah.
My own son.
Brakwame.
Wow, Brakwame to say. Instagram your friend was saying.
Brakwame_9H.
Brakwame_98.
9H.
9H.
Number them GH ban ko fa do.
Into 9H.
Number 99 what's a drink kakra. 9H.
Brakwame_9H. People follow my son for me, please. And follow Mr. Drew for me, please. Mr. Drew.
Yeah, silly.
I will say you did the McBrown's Kitchen. Silly, you have a one pie over.
My guest name.
Sir, and a young child, young choir.
They said they die and minus Satan plus God. Should I smile? Amen.
Amen. Somebody said I'm poor. And Chadiano. I will say a baby did.
Oh, wow. Ain't me na me ya diwe.
Wow, Mr. Drew, you who
She we know.
When you say over heaven, I tell you about Uncle Bill.
Super cool.
You see the super cool. Okay, yeah, chow.
Sharp.
And they are not for the day. Fuck bedid into be any back.
I wish.
I'll be any back.
Okay.
Ana wate kwa ba fa so abeti ne bia yo ko ti afato a. Sele mimi ana ma ba. Serve me here no ma serve. Na mi amo esanso a winya bi.
Ye di ani say ye di. Di.
Wow, Mr. Drew. Wow, wabusuafo. Yes, sunsun pe wona mamre. Wani be uke na nurse wada. Oh, McBrown's kitchen. Ediane na ready ye be didi. E ma bon for me. Aya ye bi ofie ni die mu a wan pa cho. Ah, ba bi adu ye benya ye mask ni. Na ye didi. Ai. Ediane na ye ready super cool. Ah, ye dia ye nyado stew. E di delay sade agum. Ene by yure. Ene ye die. Yeah, Mr. Drew na yeah. Mr. Drew. Oh, okay. Stand out there, you can't go wrong, Mr. Drew. Black Kwame _9H. I call about McBrown's kitchen.
Yeah, I know. Charlie, your food is pop.
Charlie, your food is pop. Black Kwame, I call about.
Yeah, I know.
You went about McBrown's kitchen. Drew, so there. The new guy on the block. Yeah. I don't know what to be. What I say. And then I work beside you.
My question there, 80 but a bit intellectual.
Okay.
Mr. Drew.
Yeah.
So, start say, come on. What's your future aspirations? Like, what plan my investments are more abroad, say, because Ghana musicians there. Do baby, I want to say, I thought from BB out of this, a young to Boaman. So, what are your aspirations?
I do music and dance. Music and dance. Something different from what everybody else is doing. See, watch my stage performance there. I have my intro, I have my outro. And that is what me per se I want to change. You understand? Because usually you'll be able to really no call. Yeah. Or say there you know be a coffee. You understand? Meanwhile, your TSK will be 100 cities, will be 400 cities. So there needs to be that kind of craftsmanship in there. You understand? See, I want to work on, and let's say 2 years, 3 years to come. I want to be like the best performer from Africa, not just Ghana. You understand? Like the best performer. You understand? Yeah, because outside no more. They had James Brown, no more Michael Jackson, no more Asha, no more Chris Brown still. So yeah, but yeah, we used to have Slim Master. There was Slim Master. There was FBS. Yeah, was Terry Bonchaka. But you realize that and they were that side. You understand? And nobody's continuing that, craftsmanship. So,
musician, I was Kwame, that's a power. Nice. Drew, like one in a sign, a car, no, the man, Debbie. And yet, like a normal deal now, will be our signing. Okay.
And then, do the music, we'll produce the music, and we'll push it. We'll be under the contract or sign.
Yeah, to me, I'm beside you to do our one. You say now.
Being love, Sima Jolly, Gray, I'd really mean later, and to make us a 5.
5? From 3 years ago?
Yeah.
When you're 5, under K1? Okay, so far 3 years now. Are you enjoying breast so akatua?
Yes.
As in programs about shows about about enough because
shows nanka this yank never say about corona mafia means.
Hey, man, you lucky.
Sa your time na corona buy.
Hey. Oh, Mr. Drew Kafrawati.
Cause me call UK match me call show and I had to play a lot of shows like while I was coming. Like I was in my show Ghana. Into me and them me fast na me buy.
Now buy.
Me buy na exclusive borders na.
Oh, when you show you na kadem.
It never say return is scano.
No return is scano.
So corona dey amafia yen pan. This year there. Baby.
Ben paba. Corona be cost talent.
Oh yeah, vim. Be drop it banga cram on me.
Only for Robert. The bank. Corona time, yeah.
This month.
August. For Robert.
That's fine.
Nice. Into new moon saying, I want to show my.
Doing.
Nina, and Siana.
Oh, me and I'm a Troy.
Nina. And Tantro now. Let me show you a question.
But on the other side, I'm a Troy. I'm a Troy.
Wow. Mr. Drew, I was I did it? Drew, I perceive I
said, Kosu.
Papa.
Now I'm surprising me.
Drew, McBrown's Kitchen. I have a website. And a platform this one.
To be a.
Me will never be woman. And not to me invite to one.
That's it.
You say, you be here Ghana for support. We hear every day. But this is the time I will start it. We need them. On McBrown's Kitchen, I want you to look into this camera. Tell Ghanaians how you feel. What you want them to do for you.
Okay. Thank you for this opportunity. Now, make us say, Ghanaians, it's been a while since you will be a osa to you. You understand? And sometimes we forget that it's not just about holding a mic and just coming to shout on stage or just coming to sing on stage. In the programs, you have that amount of money, because you come to watch something different. Or share a whole movie. That's what I'm here to push and to preach. And so far, no me say for supporting Mr. Drew's almost like Dre. It has 3 million views on YouTube already in just some few months. And I make I say, I appreciate it and keep supporting Mr. Drew. Maybe I mean, complaints baby I nyame di me Drew ne wana. Make I say, me da nyame ase, and I'll thank all the Ghanaians that are supporting me too. God bless you so much and keep supporting Mr. Drew.
Mr. Drew,
Silly.
Drew, nyame shao.
Nyame shao so. I appreciate you too. I appreciate you.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
There's more food to kakra.
Patch of it.
Drew, what's sister penny me? Adwuma wo be ye. Menamu.
Yes.
Akoma nim pa kakra. Achew. Enti ne se de otwa sanonim se ne chiachia. Na enso no otwa sa so kodu ba bi na hu so chiachia. Wotimi bu achi tenetene. What I say? Ye di mpanfo bi achi. Ena na ye so mpanyin na ba beto ye. Enti se mo ba. Cause yes you dey ka bi chem. Miss Row. Sir, what time is you so a pagana for a chose, so we hear support. But more dear one family now also show who so, ne show who so ye, ne share or cook woman be a fata, say, because of brand no, and on a share, may I support and you know. Ghanaians have come to understand branding. It is show we now for film, show we no kasa, baby I'll be call, and I mean. Appearance, I feel to be grateful to the people who have been there for you. They met me a catch. When you're home, the sky is your limit. God bless
so much.
you.
Thank you for having me on the show.
God bless
it means
you.
a lot. Because the conform we catch me so much, we should need it. Jai.
And the Ghana for this yaba.
And MiPROMO trust and so finally. Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome. What do you? I can't sorry.
Emi apa say am na say sadia. Am package du kofi.
Baby, who do kofi dem now? I was for McBrown's Kitchen here. Welcome. McBrown's Kitchen dey man kon sapan. Name see nyina Mr. Drew dia and also qualify so benya Amcom iron free high sense ho. Ani. Na mama. Chelsea. Enie.
Wow.
Royal Kitchen we official Ghana for some more Chelsea.
Oh wow.
Aye. I feel so gorgeous for some more apple cider. And the pep bia wo me water kakra. What would you tell me you na say 3 million dey gum. E be sane on with you mu amount. And sanitizer. Clement. Back on what dear.
But you na meet me as a baby.
Me da me pede wo chere. Mr. Drew, me patch your sanitizer dey on say dey hu ya chen visa. Hu ya chen visa. Intim patch wadaro ma also die ni. Amen. DJ stand by, you ready na bomb you be repeat Drew new song no. And no mo me sorry. Namenda one for us. High sense. Everyday prices for everyday people. Tasty Tom. Aye. Tasty Tom. And rich tomato mix. The only tomato mix with vitamins and fiber. Awake purified drinking water. One for life. Launcher kitchen. Madam Wase. Maggie the dead. Royal Aroma Rice. Royal Kitchenware Official Ghana. And Sana Borges Olive Oil. The lay mackerel, the lay sardine, and the lay spaghetti. Yada Wase baby. DJ! Bami Drew Nyom no. Ghana for Mr. Junior. No leave me alone. Make you no leave me alone. Make you no leave me alone. Make you no leave me alone. Let's go. Andy. Andy, shoulder.
McBrown's Kitchen, again the better. McBrown's Kitchen, bring us so. McBrown's Kitchen, again the better. McBrown's Kitchen, bring us so. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's Kitchen, again the better. McBrown's Kitchen.